repair today a few Gibson or Thunderbird uh, setups, strings, pickups, stuff like that. I got two Gibsons and a Cataldo. So this one is a 2014 Gibson bone stock, no mods of any sort, and it's got Ken Smith bass burner, nickel strings, 45 to 105, which I think are fantastic strings actually, and this is just a stock bass. Just everything's set at noon for everything. And yeah, I recommend these strings, I think. I really like them. They got a nice thing going on. Then let's switch over to, I recently modded out a 2002 Gibson with Hipshot bridge and tuners, and wanted to get away from the black hardware. And bridge is really cool. Sets up super nice. It's flush to the body, and I put Lawler pickups in, which are pretty expensive. I was a little shocked, but I really like them. And this is strung up with stainless steel Lowriders DR, 45 to 105 also. And here's some of the differences of this. Gibsons, and they're punchier. They're very clear. I'm pretty knocked out by these pickups, and I wish I would have put the bridge on for a while, played that to see what the difference. A lot of people claim there's a huge difference between this and the 3-point bridge in terms of sound, but honestly I wouldn't know because I did the pickups at the same time, so I have no way of knowing. I know they're very different sounding basses, as you can tell, but it's got the weirdest at the front of the note. It sounds like a really good compressor to me. I know that sounds idiotic, but it's got this cool compression at the front of the note that I really like. Stuff, which I'm absolutely thrilled with this. The way this bass came out, I think it's going to be really usable. And last is my Cataldo NR41 non-reverse with the Thunderbucker Ranch 66 pickup, and this has roto sound. They're RS66, but they're not the stainless you see a lot in like Guitar Center and stuff. These are nickel, and I should have got the little packaging. It's like RS66, but with some letters behind it. It's basically the nickel strings instead of the stainless steel rotos, and the gauge is slightly different on a 45-105. The stainless would be 45, 65, 80, 105. These are 45, 65, 85, 105. I mean, mean, maybe the tension is different enough that they needed to lighten up the A string on the stainless version. I wouldn't know for sure, but maybe this is this bass. Really cool pickup. I like it a lot. And there are a fair number of people who would claim one pickup's really all you need in a T-Bird if it's the right pickup. This bass makes a really good argument for that. I don't find myself ever playing this bass and going, man, I just wish I had another pickup because it sounds great for what it is. I'm really happy with it. I mean, I got two pickups for the others because that's what's in them, and I'm just going to keep it consistent. It acts as a nice tone control too to have two pickups. I think instead of using a tone control to roll off highs, I EQ it for both pickups on full, then roll back the bridge pickup if I feel like I need less. And I think tone knobs suck anyway. I just as soon leave them on or take them out of the circuit completely. Most of my basses don't have tone knobs, but so if I were forced to choose one pickup out of all of these, I guess I would probably do the Lawlers. Except, I mean, there's a big caveat. They're expensive, so if that's a concern, like you just heard this one pickup, it sounds awesome. It's like $175. For both of the Lawlers, it's $435, and it was shipped. That's what I paid at least. Like I think they're $210 each plus shipping, and I'm pretty sure Steve Soar at Thunderbucker Ranch also, if you order two at once, it's a little cheaper than buying one, individually. Um, and they're really nice. So I don't know. I mean, are the Lawlers worth the extra dough? I don't know. I mean, since I already spent the dough, I'm cool with it, but they're they're expensive. But I guess I kind of slightly like the Lawlers, or I like this setup. Let's put it that way. But I still need a good setup on the Cataldo. I kind of went to tweak it and just made it way worse. So I'm going to take it to a tech and have it mess around with. Probably have them yank the tone knob out of the circuit while I'm at it. But all great basses in completely different ways. And that's it. Hope it helped some.